Hi everyone, welcome! Ever wondered what makes a bird a bird? Let's break down basic bird anatomy in under a minute. First, look at their feet. Ducks and water birds have webbed feet designed for paddling through water. Raptors, like eagles, on the other hand, have sharp talons built for hunting and gripping prey. Now let's check out a typical songbird like this finch. Notice its beak or bill, powerful wings for flight, and a sleek tail for balance. Down at the bottom are small toes and sharp claws helped it perch firmly on branches. Some birds, like cockatoos, sport a fancy head decoration called a crest. And of course, all birds are covered in lightweight, essential feathers that keep them warm and flying high. Finally, life begins in a cozy nest where bird parents protect their spotted eggs until they hatch. Thanks for watching. Bye.